Amber Heard gets forced to apologize to Johnny Depp by her lawyer. After the recent win of Johnny Depp over his libel lawsuit, Amber Heard was forced by her lawyers to apologize to Johnny Depp for her false allegations and everything. Let's dive into the video to know the entirety. The legal team of Amber Heard made an apology to Johnny Depp and issued a retraction of a statement. They appealed after the estranged pair reached their divorce settlement. First, Amber Heard, who is 30 years old, dismissed her petition for a restraining order against Johnny Depp, who is 50 years old, and then the pair reached a court settlement for $5.4 million. After the news of the settlement was made public, lawyers of Heard released some statements saying that Heard was being vindicated in the court of public opinion. Her lawyer, Spector, retracted the entire statement sometime later and explained it to be made without knowing Heard's approval. Therefore, the statement was not true, and they retracted it without any qualification. She further said that her assertion that Heard was vindicated in the court is not true, and they regret the error and apologized to Depp. Talking about their divorce on May 23, 2016, Amber Heard filed for divorce from her ex-husband Depp and obtained a temporary restraining order against Depp. She also alleged that Johnny Depp had abused her physically during her relationship and that it was while being influenced by alcohol or drugs. She also alleged that when she filed for a divorce, an accident happened where Depp threw his phone over her and left her having bruises on her face. However, a policeman told people that an investigation for a domestic incident radio call discovered that no crime had taken over. Through his representatives, Johnny Depp also denied accusations and stated Heard was attempting to secure some premature financial resolutions by allegedly abusing her. Heard also testified under oath under deposition, but the settlement reached to the public after she withdrew her case for a restraining order against domestic violence. She also rescinded her ex-husband's support for $50,000 a month. Both Heard and Depp released a joint statement and said that their relationship was passionately and intensely volatile, but always bound by love. Neither party made fake allegations for financial gains. It continued when there was no intent for emotional and physical harm. Amber Heard also received a divorce settlement of $7 million but donated it to charity. She also pledged that she would donate the settlement money to both Los Angeles Children's Hospital and the ACLU. As per sources and court papers, Depp and his lawyers asked the organizations to disclose how much Amber Heard has donated. Now, a New York City judge also permitted Depp to satisfy his curiosity, and the organization ACLU was asked to release some documents for confirmations. In May, Johnny Depp also sued the organization ACLU to force the nonprofit organization to reveal whether Heard made some donations she pledged after the divorce settlement. He earlier claimed that Heard would not donate the money and desired to return the decision in his libel case for domestic violence against Sun publisher. However, lawyers of Heard claimed that donations were pledged to pay for 10 years, and the ACLU also understood this. Well, has Amber paid the money she pledged after her divorce? On winning the libel suit, the attorney of Johnny Depp said that the court's decision highly gratifies Depp, and as per sources, there was also a transcript by Amber Heard's attorney. Her attorney also said that Amber would donate the money to Chilla and ACLU, but it will take time. And they didn't acknowledge when it would be. They also mentioned that she made the first payment for the pledge and claimed that over $1 million to be donated to both CHLA and ACLU. In 2018, Heard shared an op-ed for the Washington Post and said that she got abused. Her op-ed was the one where she spoke about how women are treated in domestic abuse cases. In that op-ed, she said that she became a public figure after representing domestic abuse and felt the entire force of her cultural wrath for women speaking for themselves. In 2019, Depp also sued Amber Heard for over $50 million for defamation over the Washington Post article. The libel suit said that Amber Heard is not a victim of domestic violence. She is a perpetrator and denied that Johnny never abused her. Instead, the lawsuit said that her allegations were part of the elaborative hoax to generate positive publicity. Lawyers of Depp said that the op-ed depends on the primary premise that Heard was a domestic abuse victim and Depp perpetrated abuse against her. Heard claimed that she had scars on her feet and arms from the incident where Depp threw her a ping pong table and dragged her through the broken glass. In 2020, phone recordings were released where Heard admitted to hitting Depp. In January, some phone recordings were released and there Heard was saying she is sorry for everything that she didn't hit Depp across the face in a proper slap. But she was hitting Depp, not punching him. She further said to Depp that, "Baby, you are not punched." She also said that she doesn't know what the motion of her hand was, but Depp is fine, and she didn't hurt Depp nor punch him. She was only hitting him. Meanwhile, Johnny Depp said that he left the earlier night of the incident and swore to Heard because he couldn't take the idea of more physicality or physical abuse. Because they continued with it, it would have been not good, and he told that to her once. He is scared to death and they are at a crime scene now. Heard replied that she could not promise him that she wouldn't get physical again, and God, she sometimes gets so mad that she loses it. In July 2020, the 3-week libel suit started. Depp fought with the Sun publisher, the news group newspapers, in court over a 2018 article where they called Depp a wife-beater, referring to Depp and Amber Heard's former marriage. Depp also sued the publisher and executive of the Sun newspaper organization for the lawsuit. The trial started in July and lasted for 3 weeks, where Depp alleged that Amber Heard defecated in his bed and punched him, but Heard denies the accusations. Depp also accused Amber Heard of extramarital affairs with Elon Musk and James Franco, which Heard also denied. Heard somehow accused Depp of abusing her physically and also accused him of throwing a phone towards her, which left her bruised. She also stated that he threatened her that he would kill her. In 2020, Depp lost his case against the Sun newspaper over the article, where they called him a wife-beater. However, Mr. Justice Nicole, the judge, said the Sun organizations proved that the article was true and discovered that 12 out of 14 alleged domestic violence incidents occurred. In March 2021, Depp refused permission to appeal against the ruling of the case, but in his Virginia filing, lawyers argued that experts concluded that photographs of Heard showing injuries to her face from 2015 were manipulated for 3 years. He stated that experts discovered the photos from the iPad Pro 10.5 that were created after 6th of October 2018. Thus, such editing of the trial bundle versions was on or after the day, so Heard doctored pictures after 3 years, and when that arrived in a London testimony, she denied all. The court also asked she appear on James Corden's chat show after the alleged attack, where Heard was heavily dressed and put on makeup to hide her bruising. Heard also stated that they welcomed the opportunity to present the evidence in the trial and claimed that the legal team of Johnny Depp is trying to make a case with the media. This was indeed a dirty strategy by the legal team of Johnny Depp to present fake allegations while avoiding defamation because of the judicial immunity. Moreover, the legal hearings were protected from the entire defamation. They are not protected from the leaks to the media. That is what Depp intended. However, he lost everyone for the arguments in the United Kingdom's trial. His first choice of forum he was trying to interject already proved to be a fake piece from his failed efforts to court his attempt to deceive the public. He even pretended the issues were fully tried, and that is where he lost. No, in another court of law, he got unstable to submit his evidence because he had nothing to prove his claims. What do you think about Amber Heard apologizing to Johnny Depp after her lawyer asked her to do so? Let us know your views in the comment section below. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more videos like this. Until the next video.